Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can connect your Facebook ad account to Instagram. Okay, so if you're using the personal profile, then so that is not the business manager, you're going to have to link it via your Facebook page. Okay, so I'm in the Teach Traffic Facebook page and I go to settings, and then down the bottom here you will see Instagram. Now, I have actually connected my Instagram account to my page, which shows that it's connected here. So Teach Traffic 1 is the Instagram account. If you have not connected it, you will obviously see something different asking you to log in, and you basically log into your Instagram account. It's very self-explanatory from here, and it will follow the prompts to connect it. So here, it's just asking me if I want to disconnect it. I don't, but this is where you would connect it. So that's option 1. If you are using the business manager, so you go into the business manager settings, okay? And then on the left-hand side here, this is where you find your ad accounts and your pages. You'll see Instagram accounts here. So these are the Instagram accounts that actually I have access to. And so we go add, and you just connect your Instagram account this way, and once again follow the prompt. It's going to ask you to log in, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So those are the two ways to do it, and hope this helps.